Bertha grows into season's first hurricane. The Hurricane Bertha was the first Atlantic hurricane of the 2008 Atlantic hurricane season. This is the first hurricane to form in the month of July for this year. On July 7, the Hurricane Bertha has a maximum sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. The Weather Bureau spotted the eye of the storm about 845 miles east of the northern Leeward Islands, and it was moving with a speed of at least 17 miles per hour. Bertha's appearance comes earlier than the first hurricane the most years. The Atlantic hurricane seasons from the mid-August to mid-October. The southeast U.S. is threatened by this hurricane. This year, 2008, is a very busy hurricane season. This Hurricane Bertha is somehow similar to the 1996 Atlantic Hurricane Bertha. That hurricane had also started its fate from the west coast of Africa, like the 2008 Atlantic Hurricane Bertha. The 1996 storm had hit the coastal areas of North and South Carolina, causing considerable damage. No matter what happened, life must still move on. Just consider that hurricanes are a God-given projects that people must pay attention with. This is Anne of Synergy.